So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Exness password within Exness. So starting off, you can open up your Exness personal area and you can do that just by logging in. After that, you can see your accounts, your performance, history of orders, your Exness terminal, payments and wallet insights, Exness benefits, trading, support hub, and stuff like that. So your profile as well. So on there, you can see the three dots right here. You can click on here to adjust leverage, add or edit a nickname, account info, set read-only access, change trading password, or archive. So let's click on trading password. So through there, you can just type in your new password. So it says change trading password. So just type it in, and it's the same as once you were opening up your account. The same rules apply. So it needs to be between 8 and 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. So once you've done all of those, you can click on change password. And once you've done that, it's going to be then changed. If you want to access it a bit differently, you can go to your profile right here, go to your security, and you can click on change right here to change your password. So just make sure that you've typed in a new password, you repeated that new password and clicked on confirm in order to confirm all of these changes so you don't accidentally forget to click on save or confirm so those changes take effect. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or similar topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.